Good day everyone. For today's update, I focus on again with the enhancement of camera module as well as adding the pagination for basics. I also created a button decks, or this is are the rectangles for each of the button, since we need to store this one on a specific rectangle as we are using a pie game. So if we try to run the code that we have, Python main.py, we can see that upon running it will have all of the asynchronous requests and it will be on a 6 for each pages. So there's a page number here. You can use the left or right arrow keys to navigate with the pages, and we can also see here how many cameras we are monitoring right now. Now, for the enhancement of this one, for the upcoming enhancement, I will be focusing on with finalizing the design for the frame. As you can see here, the frames are overlapping to each other. So once I click this one and this home camera 3, for example, it's overlapping with each other. As you can see, the design here on the camera 5 and 6 overlaps with the design here on top, so we'll still need to finalize the design. Even by resizing, as you can see, it still overlaps. I also need to fix first the previous page. As you can see, when I click here, there's supposed to be no previous page, since this is the page 1 and there's no previous page other than the page 1. So when I click next page, it doesn't have any problem in previous page. However, as you can see here, clicking on the previous page shows the home camera 6, which is this one. So it's like the camera 6 is being clicked when I click the previous page, as it's overlapped on the screen of the previous page. However, using arrow keys such as left and right arrow keys doesn't have any problem. So this will be for the upcoming enhancement, the fixes for the pagination to make it more versatile, as well as another thing is to speed up the detection of the camera, since I still haven't figured out the delays for the detection. Delay for the camera when we are launching it, and the feed from the camera itself from the RTSP. Yeah, I think that's all from my end. Thank you.